Hello everyone, good morning, Radhe Radhe, Sat Sri Akal and Salaam Alaikum. So here, as I always ask to all the people, how are you? I hope you must be doing well in your home or wherever you are standing. And if you are not doing well, so definitely you will be going to well after watching in this video. So here I brought the new video, and the theme of this video going to be give honest and sincere appreciation. And you can also say it's a art, and it may be called lot of things, but here I brought the new lesson for you. It is also based on the relationship. If you are a person, if you are a businessman, if you are a husband, if you are a wife, if you are a student, if you are anyone, whoever you are, if you want to make your relationship so strong, so this video definitely going to helpful for you. So keep watching in this video till the end, and in this video I'll also tell you why we should not appreciate every girl for her looks. If she is looking good, if she wore the good clothes, so you don't need to tell to her you are looking so good on that time. I'll tell you this thing at the last in this video. So keep watching till the end. So before further proceed, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shivit Sarvendra, and I am a person who believe relationship must be 100% good rather than the money. I always give first priority on relationship rather than money. So if you are a person, if your life is not going very well, if you are facing some problem in your relationship, whether relationship in between of your girlfriend or boyfriend, or in between of husband wife, or in between of two friends, it also happen. Relationship can be happen in between of anyone. So I saw a lot of people, their life is not going on very well because of relationship. And you know what, we all are an animal, and we all love to get love from the people. If we don't get love from the people, so on that time we feel alone or something like that. So our mind also can disturb. So here I always believe, if our relationship is not good, so our life is also not going to be good. So let's get inside in this video. So here, before further proceed this video, here I would like to ask you, what do you want in your life? आपके जीवन में आपको क्या चाहते हो? आप क्या चाहते हो? Yeah, here lot of people must say money, health, a girlfriend. No, I just kidding. Yeah, I should. Here I ask the question. In this world, all the people, what does everyone want in this world? And if I ask you the same question, what do you want in your life except health and money? So you would say appreciation. If you don't say appreciation, so here I am saying you must have to say appreciation. आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता कि आपको स्टेज पे बुलाया जाए और आपको पुष्प गुच्छ दिया जाए, फ्लावर दिए जाए? That was my mean. So don't you like this? Some people call to me and take my photo and give some pushpa guch, flower bouquets, and मेरी तारीफ की जाए, मेरे को सम्मान दिया जाए. क्या आप नहीं चाहते आपको सम्मान चाहिए? Everyone wants this one thing, and that is called appreciation. And you know what, when all the human creature was being made in the embryo, on that time God came inside the body of female, inside the body of mother, and said only one thing, and the same thing said everyone's ear in this world, who all are living in this world, everyone's ear. The one thing was said by the God, and the thing is that God said one thing, and the thing is that God said, baby, you are an exceptional person in this world. No one cannot be intelligent than you, and you are a beautiful, you are a handsome, you are a very like you no one can happen in this world. That thing was said by the God in every single ear. So that's why we all believe, wow, we are an exceptional person in this world. No one can intelligent than me, no one can beautiful than me, I am super. Here I would like to ask you, don't you think this? Don't you think I am not good? Don't you ever think, no, I have a weakness, I am not a good person in this world, I am not for survive? Don't you think this? Yeah, definitely you must not think like this. You always think, I am a great person, I am a super, I am intelligent, and I am a handsome also, I am ravishing also. So all my thing is that only all the people are living in this world, they all believe about themselves, they are also very beautiful, and all the thing, those can appreciate them, those can make him or her happy. They all the people believe like that. So God also said in every single ear. And if we see for a अगर हम इसे बहुत दूर तक देखें, if we see for long, so we would find lot of things. Most of the things are really absolutely correct. In this world, all the people are different to each other. If you see inside my body, so you would find something, and if you see in another person, that is also need to be appreciated. That thing is also very interesting. So my thing and his thing, the another person thing, both of thing may be very different. So that thing was also absolutely correct. That thing was said by the God in every single ear. Yeah, in this world every person can be very different, and they all must have their own quality. So here I would say only on one thing. Don't you think if we appreciate someone, so here first of all I would like to ask you, if you got appreciation by a lot of people, so on that time what did you feel? And before, in this video I also have made one video on my YouTube channel where I talked about the criticism. When we all are criticized by someone, on that time what we feel? We don't feel good. Why people are criticizing us? So on that time we don't feel good. But the opposite of the criticism is appreciation. When you are appreciated by someone, so on that time what did you feel? What do you feel? On that time you must feel, wow, I am a really amazing person in this world. No one can like me. The qualities I am having, no one can have, no one can has. So the thing is that, so what I want to say to you, why I brought this video here, I would only say one thing. If you are a person not in the habit of getting lot of interesting thing from the people, and if you are not in the habit of appreciating person, so please start appreciate people. And you know what, things in English there is one idiom I also love. Things are repeated where are appreciated. And you also must have seen in your childhood when you did something interesting, and on that time you were appreciated by someone. So from on that instant, you may have been starting that thing those you had done earlier. For that thing you have got appreciation. So the things in English, the idiom is absolutely correct. Things are repeated where are appreciated. So here I would say, if you appreciate the people, so definitely your relationship is going to appreciate very strong. So if you are a person, and you know what, appreciation should be, it should not be the principle, it should not be the rule, it should be the way of our life. And you know what, if we all the people love to get appreciation by the lot of people, by all this world, so it also should be our duty to appreciate someone. If you find something interesting in some people, so please, on that instant of time, you should appreciate him or her. And in the beginning of this video, I asked a question, why we should not appreciate girl for her look. Because if you appreciate, yeah, we can I can give you, if she wore a very beautiful clothes, beautiful dress, and then you appreciated her, so please stop doing this. Because after doing appreciate like this, so she might get, I'm not a beautiful, whenever I wear this clothes then I get appreciate. So you can appreciate like this, your dress suits you and you are very beautiful, like that, so you can. And here in the conclusion, I would say only one thing. In my life I got lot of things, I got lot of benefits of appreciation. When I not used to appreciate people, on that time my relationship was very weakened, and since then I have been appreciating people as well. I got appreciation written as a written gift, and my life is going very smoothly because of appreciation. So it's we can say it is kind of key to unlock our life. So if we really want to unlock our life, so we can start appreciate people. And here I would say only this thing. And if you ask to me, how can I get the quality of that people, so here I would say only one thing. And it may be the way of people, how we see inside the man. And if I take the example of rose plant, where what would you see? You would see either thorn or rose. So it depends on people how they see. So if you also want to prove you are a good person, if you want to make your relationship smooth, good, and if you want to get lot of love from the people, and so start getting some qualities of people. And on that, as soon as you find the qualities of people, and on that instant of time, you should appreciate his or her for his or her quality. So the theme of this video is give honest and sincere appreciation. Here I would say lot of things, but I don't have time, because if I make this video so long, so I can get lot of problem to upload this video on YouTube. So here I should end this video. And here I would say, and last, do appreciate people as much as possible. And don't forget to appreciate your mother and father, because they do all the thing for you. So if you have your parents, so as well you have a diamond. So always appreciate your parent, your diamond. So we'll meet soon in next video, where I can, if I get some thought about this. Okay, so we'll meet soon in next video. I'll capture you in next video. So till then, keep laughing, keep smiling, and keep watching my YouTube channel. So if you find something interesting from my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel as well. You can press the bell icon and do like. If you have any problem, if you want to ask some questions, so you can drop your thing, whatever you want to ask to me in comment box. Then definitely I'll make video for you, and love you. Bye bye.